देश में ब्लैक फंगस के बढ़ते मामलों के मद्देनजर चिकित्सकों का कहना है कि कोरोना के ऐसे मरीज जिन्हें मधुमेह की समस्या है, उन्हें विशेष ध्यान देना चाहिए। आज नई दिल्ली में वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए प्रेस वार्ता को संबोधित करते हुए एम्स के निदेशक डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया और वरिष्ठ चिकित्सक डॉक्टर नरेश त्रिहान ने कहा कि कोरोना के इलाज में इस्तेमाल किए जाने वाले स्टेरॉइड की मात्रा पर विशेष ध्यान देने की जरूरत है।
Patients who have what we call pulmonary mucormycosis, that it is involving the lungs also, where you can have fever, breathlessness, cough, you can have blood with your sputum, and there can be chest pain also. So those are the features that anyone who has these features must consult the doctor. And treatment is multidisciplinary. It involves drugs, but it also involves surgery to remove out the dead tissue and the fungus from that area where it is multiplying, so as to prevent it from further spreading to other parts of the body. But I think the most important thing that I would like to stress here is prevention. We have to prevent fungal infections in our COVID-19 patients rather than looking at treating them, because treating them is difficult. It also leads to higher mortality if you develop mucormycosis. So my plea to everyone would be, if you have COVID-19 and you are diabetic, please make sure your sugars are properly checked and your sugars are under good control. If you need steroids, make sure they are taken in the right dose and only when they are indicated. Do not misuse steroids when they are not required, and be aware of the possible features which could suggest that you may have mucor, so that you can consult your doctor immediately. There are a lot of false messages also going around that this can happen due to eating some raw food, which there is no data to suggest that. That it is also being linked to the type of oxygen being used. There is clear evidence that it is happening in areas where medical oxygen is used, so therefore it has nothing to do with the type of oxygen that is also being used. And in cases which are being reported from some places, it is also being reported in people who are at home, on home isolation, taking steroids at home and on oxygen through the cylinder or home oxygen concentrator. So even if you are at home, please be careful about taking steroids and don't take them if they are not indicated.